To begin this guided meditation, find somewhere that you can sit comfortably, a sofa, a bed, chair or the floor, whatever is comfiest for you. Try to sit with a straight back and a relaxed body. Place your hands on your knees or lap and allow your muscles to slowly relax. Where possible, try to be in a quiet room with as few distractions as possible. Sit up nice and tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, close your eyes and begin to breathe. Feel free to lay your arms down softly on your thighs. Follow my instructions. Trust in me. Trust in my voice. And let's begin. This metta meditation will give you the chance to reconnect with a loving kindness approach towards yourself and others. Take some time to visualize loving kindness towards yourself. Think about all the people in your life that keep showing up, the people who support you, the people who make a sweet little gesture of love. Choose one person that makes you feel safe, that makes you feel loved and special for who you are. Envision the love coming from this person as it radiates over you. Feel the warm sensation of ease, comfort, and loving kindness embrace yourself. Now think about all the people in your life back again and feel love. Love for something, love for a mood, love for yourself. You will finally see love is around you in different forms, but most of all, love is inside of you. Happiness is best when shared, right? So now it's your turn to send loving kindness to your loved ones. Be grateful for having those caring people in your life and spread your love. Repeat gently, don't be shy. Gently whisper to yourself, may you be filled with loving kindness. May you feel mentally calm. May you feel healthy. May you feel happy. May you have all you deserve and even more. Now it's time to work on sending loving kindness to someone you may not know very well. Why? Because we all need some love. Gently repeat, just like me, may you be filled with loving kindness. Just like me, may you feel mentally calm. Just like me, may you feel healthy. Just like me, may you feel happy. Just like me, may you have all you deserve and even more. Now it's time to spread your love further to all living beings. Imagine the world as a little crystal ball between your hands. Feel how you are warming it up with your presence, with your love. See your reflection in the crystal, smile right back at you and say out loud to yourself and the universe, Just like me, may you live with love, happiness, and good health. Just like me, may you live with love, happiness, and good health. Just like me, may you live with love, happiness, and good health. Just like me, may you live with love, happiness, and good health. Take a moment to appreciate this practice. How a simple meditation can make you open yourself up to love, spreading all over the universe and to all its marvelous creatures. You created love. When you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation. I have truly enjoyed meditating with you today. I hope you can bring a sense of love and calm into the rest of your day. And I look forward to joining you again soon on your meditation journey. Take care, friends.